Hey guys, Gemini Jets 46 here, coming at you guys with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing another Boeing 737 MAX 9 for my DIA airport. I have been doing construction on it a lot recently, and Terminal B is starting to come together, and C as well. I just need to get the foils and couple more Uniteds for DIA because United is a main part of DIA. I have a couple new models too on the way, which should come January 7th on my birthday, actually. And so yeah, gotta eat some Tic Tacs here real quick. Just kidding. Well, actually. Okay. So yeah, we'll start with the box. We have Gemini Jets. There's slogan, the computer-generated model, Boeing 737 MAX 9, United, one foreign die-cast model. Look inside. There's all the information you need to know. There it is right there. The first airport update should be pretty soon, actually. Maybe in a couple days, maybe the end of the week, maybe 2 weeks, depending on how much time I get to work on it. Alright. So I've done this model review before, but it was with the WestJet MAX 8 too. Alright. Alright, there we go. We have the nose cone, the window, Star Alliance logo, first landing gear, L1 boarding door, United logo, the two overwing exits, the engines, first antenna, the awesome lit-looking winglets. There it goes, a little cut off. The window, which can be pushed out and made an emergency exit. The last door, which could be used for boarding, I guess. Yeah. Continental logo, which actually is United's now, but it also has the golden crap. Sorry, guys. It has the golden stripe, like also mentioned on the Dreamliner. If we look at this model from the bottom, not a whole lot going on. I mean, you have cargo, registration, all that good stuff. So yeah, that is the model review. If you guys want to see my airport, it is over here. This will be one of the terminals over there for United. So basically, let me just set this down. This part's kind of complicated. So there's a smaller terminal over here for United, but there is an American one that flies here every day, but it's supposed to be for United. So figured I'd put it there. We have another terminal going right here, and then two other parking spots. And there is the part of Terminal C, the rest of Terminal B, waiting, and then that's a runway, and this is a runway, all that good stuff. So I have a Frontier model on the way and a United A320. Excuse me. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please drop a like on this video and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. We have one shout out. It'll be to BL Aviation. If you guys haven't heard of him, make sure you guys go check out his channel and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. and like all his videos and try to stay active as you can on his channel, because it really is a good, awesome channel that I watch. And if you guys are also new here, make sure you guys drop a like on the video and are subscribed to the channel. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do like it, there are more model reviews coming, so expect those, and hopefully an airport update coming out soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.